the record, I'm done trying to make y'all comfortable. For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record, yeah. For the
Welcome back, YouTube family. This is the SUBZERU vlogs, back with another video just for all of y'all. Man, I am so excited, and so happy to tell y'all the updates that's going on with the Subaru WRX, some new parts I got in, some new opportunities I got, some more things I have coming for the channel to make sure everything is that much better, production value is better, that just overall the videos are better, and everything is just that much more engaging, creative, and fun to watch. I know you all have been patient with me. I got a lot of things to cover in this video. I'm going to talk about what's exactly going on with the Subaru, why isn't it done yet, what else needs to be done, what has been done, and what else is coming next. I appreciate everyone's support from watching my channel, from watching my videos, from commenting, from liking, from sharing, and overall just doing everything you guys have been to support this channel, because every like, every comment, every view, every share, everything that you guys have been doing and continue to do and will continue to do for the channel goes a long way into getting these parts, to getting the equipment that I'm going to have for my channel, to be able to help us build this, to be a channel for everyone, to make it that much more fun, and to give you all the content that you're asking me to do. Past 11,700 subscribers, I'm so excited for what is coming next. There's some things I can't tell y'all yet, but just stay tuned, it is coming. If you guys like the video, hit the like button. If you want to follow the journey, hit the subscribe button. And like I always keep saying, guys, keep going after your dreams and make them reality. Let's have a great day, a blessed day. Peace. Ooh. The first thing I got, y'all, is this new lens, man. I'm so excited to bring this lens. This lens was not cheap, but I really want to start making more professional, you know, pictures. I want my content to be that much better. Oh man, this lens is the truth, y'all. Let's go ahead and take this out. Yeesh. Oh my gosh, yo, hold up. Hey. Oh my gosh. Look at this. Now this is a camera lens. This is a camera lens right here. Y'all, shout out to Canon for having this awesome lens. Man, I'm so excited to bring this to the channel. This is gonna make just my content on Instagram, YouTube, everything that much better. Just having this type of lens is gonna be just crazy, man. I'm so excited. What's lacking on my Instagram is really just better professional type pictures. One more time, y'all, this is the Canon lens, a 24 to 105 millimeter. It's about $1,000 for this lens, but well worth it. To get yourself something nice to be able to take pictures. Doesn't even have to be car related, it can be anything. It can be any type of pictures, it zooms in. Overall, it's gonna be one of the best lenses you're definitely gonna wanna get. So one more time, y'all, this is the Canon lens, the EF 24 to 105 millimeter. Now, for everyone who's been following my build, seeing all the parts I've been putting on my car, overall, there's three major brands that I use a lot of parts on my car. Grimspeed, Cobb, and Perrin. Those three basically make up a huge majority of my car. You know, I really love all of their products. I hope to someday be able to get a sponsorship, maybe with Grimspeed, Cobb, or Perrin. I really value quality when it comes to parts. I value just easiness of install, and I overall value performance, and all three of these give me that. This part right here is from Perrin. However, I did get this from a website and company called Boost It Performance. Everyone go ahead and check out Boost It Performance. If you're looking for any parts, Perrin, Grimspeed, Cobb, Killer B, whatever it is, go ahead and hit up Boost It Performance right here. Boost It Performance was nice enough to sponsor me and to be able to bring me this product for you all, to show you more products on my car and also bring attention to their page. I really want to help all Subaru enthusiasts be able to build the cars that they truly desire and dream of building. I want to be able to give back to you all for watching my videos, for checking out the videos, liking, and commenting. So for all of you who are watching this and my page, go in the description below. You can go ahead and click their link. My code is SUBZERU_10. All right, y'all, so let's get into what exactly I got as far as my Perrin product. So Boost It Performance and Perrin was able to both hook me up with these fender shrouds. Absolutely love these. It's gonna look really good on my car. Ooh. one more time, shout out to Booster Performance and Perrin for the hookup. As you all know, I have a lot of red on my engine bay, so these are gonna fit in perfectly. These even little slits right here match perfectly to my Torque Solutions pulley cover. I'm so excited to get these installed. I'm gonna show y'all exactly a video real quick of what my engine bay looks like, so you can see how adding this is gonna really bring out that much more to the engine. You can get these fender shrouds from a few companies. Perrin has them, Grimspeed has them, a few other places have them, and they are not that difficult to install. So if you're looking for something to really bring out the engine bay that much more and kind of just make it more car show ready and just look cooler having a good engine bay, go ahead and get these. These are not that expensive at all. I'm not sure if y'all can tell the detail, but these things are fantastic. These are absolutely fantastic. I'm excited to put both of these on. One more time, shout out to Boosted Performance. Go ahead, hit them up. Code below SUBZERU_10, 10% off your total order. So go ahead, get some parts right now, and let's get going, guys. Let's get all the builds and help everybody else do mods for their cars. Alright y'all, so let's get into the reason why I know a lot of you clicked on this video and why you're watching this video right now. I'm going to give you guys the updates on exactly what's going on with the Subaru, what's next with the Subaru, and why it's taking so long to get the Subaru done. So far, let's start with exactly everything that is done with the Subaru, and we'll go from there. So the Brom Racing seats that I wanted to get installed for the car are done. Are installed. The side skirts that I wanted to get on the car is done. The mirrors that I got, the custom mirrors, are installed and done. The bypass valve from Go Fast Bits is also done. The head unit, the 9-inch screen, is also installed and done. A few of the other things I want to install on the light side is also done. So the main things, other than the wrap, everything else is already installed. I've seen some of it. It's fantastic. You guys are gonna love it. It looks crazy. The seats are awesome. The side skirts are great. The head unit just makes a big, huge difference. When you guys see that and how it just, the interior and the gloss and everything, you're gonna really, really love it. I know you guys are gonna love it. The bypass valve sounds great. However, the vinyl stripes, the taillight overlay, and the wrap, that is not done yet because of this main reason. So, the wrap color that I'm going with was actually discontinued. They no longer even make the wrap color, but because of me and a few others, they're having a limited re-entrance and they're gonna make a last batch production just for us. So I am so excited. I'm about to have a limited color. It's a color that's not even gonna be around anymore. No one's gonna have it. Not many people even have it right now anyway. Now I see a lot of you guys commenting and guessing the colors, which I'm so excited for. I'm gonna give you all another hint. This color isn't even in the United States. It's not a color that's in the United States. We have to get this from overseas. It was discontinued, but because of me and, like I said, a few others, they're gonna bring it back limitedly just for a last batch run to give it to us so we can put it on our car. So I'm literally gonna have a color that not many people in the US already currently have, and no one is gonna be able to get again because they're discontinuing the color. So more hints for y'all. Discontinued color, it's not even in the United States, and not many people have this color on their cars. I see so many people guessing so many different things. I've been telling you guys hints. Some of you guys are getting closer, some of you guys are just not close at all. I'm dropping hints. Even in this video, there's little subtle hints. You just have to find them. You have to find them. On my Instagram, I go ahead and I post different stories, different pictures to give you guys little clues as to what might be going on with the car. So if you aren't following my Instagram at SUBZERU_, go ahead and follow it. I go ahead and post different hints of what I'm doing with the car. So even though we're getting this awesome color, we do have to wait a few weeks for it to be finished, and then it's going to be sent to us and shipped. So there's a good chance that my car won't be done for another 3 weeks, maybe even 4 weeks. So probably the beginning of September is probably a good realistic idea as to when the car is going to be done. So yes, I know, I appreciate the patience. I know you've all been waiting. Man, I know a lot of you have been hitting me up and I know you want to see the car, but I'm telling you, when this car gets done, it's going to be absolutely insane. If you thought this last build I had was crazy, you're gonna see the 2.0 and you're gonna be just wow. It's gonna be absolutely wow. We haven't even gotten the carbon fiber gurney flap on it yet. We haven't even gotten the stripes on it yet. We haven't gotten the wrap on it. Like, how it looks now and how it's about to look is, oh my gosh, I'm blessed, y'all. I'm absolutely blessed. Hope y'all like the video. Like the video if you guys like the video. Hit the subscribe button, follow the journey. Like I always keep saying, guys, keep going after the right things in life. Keep going after your dreams and make them a reality. Everyone have a great day, a blessed day. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm so excited to just give that much more back to the channel and to be able to bring better videos for you guys. So I appreciate you all. Love you all. Peace.